Yeah, hello. Once again, it's Richard Dupey here, and this is the second plan for Thursday. There is some plan also in the Thursday itself that is really good. So we look at it in the year 2019 at event 635. Event 635. Okay, let's see. At event 647, they play 67 before that 67 they play 21 before the 21 67. So you can see is the 67 that jump 3 weeks. When you come to the current two, you see the same thing. 67 before 21 before that 67. So it's the 67 that jump. So when you stand on the event 645 and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks up, you will see single 9. Then the single 9 will shadow to single 6. Then following week in machine, you will see 12. So you notice that at 12 and then the single 6 is what they play over there too short. 12 single 6. Then the single 6 will key 90 to play with the numbers. But when you come to the current, you will see that when they play the 67, before the 67, they play the 21, before 21, they play the 67. Stand on the 67. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They short the week. So the 9 play before the single 6, but still the 12 is in the machine. So it's like they short the week 1 week over here. So here is longer than the one that they play over here. But it's the same two numbers. So you see the 12 in machine to play with the single 6 after the 67 play, 21 play, and then the 67 jump. So now the single 6, 12 should play a 2 show over here. Even though this is the event that I'm using, there is a confirmation in Friday. Then it becomes a real setting, a new setting. Okay, in Friday Bonanza. When you come to in the year 2023 at event 812, 812, they play the single 6 over there. Or let's say they play this single 6, correct counting is, then they play the single 6 again. So if you count from here, let's stand on this single 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They play 35 at second position, machine. Following week 21 will play at last position with 83. So last week they play 64. Then they play 89 in machine. So following week you can see the single 6 will come back and play with the 12. On this particular event, I'm expecting this 71 to play with them to give you 3 numbers on this event. This event is also good to play. That is event 823 in Friday. This event is also good. But I'm choosing the 12 single 6 71 as the 3 numbers. It's a key to play. It's a key. Okay. When you come to the current two at event 925, they play the single 6. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the same 35 at the same position. Following week 21 at last position with 83. Last week they play the 64, then 89 machine. So the single 6 will have to come and play with the 12. That is how it is. So I'm using the one in itself. That is this one because of the 90. I'm using event 648. Event 648. Numbers on the event 84, 12, 90, single 669. 84, 12, 90, single 669. Those are the 5 numbers that I'm using for the second plan of Thursday fortune. So let's hope for the best. Bye for now.